That's all this area we have. And it's completely airline. Farmland. That's where I was going. Brave little car decided to go against the tank. So
Yeah,
swimming like those other swimmers.
Maybe she's Rican, that's their sniper.
Oh, I get it. And exploded by a tank. You saw it by that?
Yes.
Wow. I get shot up by tank.
I will say.
Technically, tanks don't really do that much. They do go